Hello everybody, my name is Ava and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to announce that this video is sponsored by Belle Organic, a Black women-owned hair company. They offer customizable hair products that nourishes, strengthens, and promotes hair growth. The products they sent me include the Restorative Hibiscus Hair Mask, which has a purplish brown color, the Intense Fenugreek Regeneration Mask, which has a very mild scent, the Onion and Garlic Thickening Hair Oil, and 2 other hair mask samples, one of which is the Henna Strengthening Hair Gloss. These products are from the hashtag Long Hair Don't Care Fenugreek and Hibiscus Protein Low Porosity Kit, found on their website. Today's featuring products are the Restorative Hibiscus Hair Mask and the Onion and Garlic Thickening Hair Oil. You'll also need aloe vera gel, 2 measuring utensils, an oil of your choice, a mixing bowl including a spoon that they will provide, and any hair conditioner that you prefer. Now let's begin. I want you to take a look at my hair before using the products. It was extremely dry, especially on the ends. It was very tangled, brittle, and just unhappy. My hair was screaming for help. So let's take care of her. Boom. Section the hair into 6 parts. Time for the Onion and Garlic Thickening Hair Oil. It definitely smells like onion and garlic, but the smell is not overbearing or too strong. So I lather the oil onto my hair, making sure I focus on my ends and my scalp. Let me just say that I'm very excited about this company because all of their products are handmade, vegan friendly, and include all natural ingredients. This is truly healthy hair food that you need in your life. After an hour, I review my hair and it is so soft and moisturized. Look at how the brush just glides through my hair. It feels very healthy, soft, and nourished. This is my hair after using the products from Belle Organic. It feels so hydrated and moisturized, and it was very easy to style. It wasn't all hard and crusty like it was yesterday. And child, I am loving my fro. Shop with Belle Organics and discover the beauty of their products. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everybody.